Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today I have something for everyone. Let me just tell you, if you like fold-its, boom, gotcha. If you like Steffi dolls, boom, gotcha. If you like flowers, boom, gotcha. If you like spring stuff, boom, gotcha. If you like background dies, guess what? I gotcha. Lots to show you. The first item I want to show you is by customer request. You know, I always try to listen to all customer requests and get some ideas that way. Well, this was a customer request. This is a fold-it leprechaun hat. Now, at first you might be going, but let me just show you a couple samples really quick on this one, because look how cute it is with our little leprechaun all dressed up, ready to go. I absolutely love it. Here's a cute one, sending you lots of, now normally that would say hugs, but this one says luck. Isn't that cute? Open it up, write your little message, so cute. Let's just show all the samples. You could make it even something totally not even green. Just make it a cute little top hat. Look how beautiful that is. So fun. Here's a cute one, all green. Oops, oh, it looks like this one got a little mixed up. And there we go. Oh, let me turn it this way. Let me fix it. There we go. Look how cute that is. All decorated and ready to go. Here's another cute one with our little leprechaun. I know everybody loves our leprechaun. He's so cute. I love him. Lucky. Open that up. And here's another one with the leprechaun, just the dies. Happy St. Patty's Day. So isn't he adorable? I love this. So much fun. Now, that's our fold-it people. Our flower and background die people, I have the most beautiful background I think I've ever made. I'm just going to put it out there. I think it's the best one, the prettiest one, the most delicate one I've ever made. And I got to grab a sample right when so I can show it to you. Ready? Here is the die. First of all, it's beautiful. And it has this circle cut out. Never fear, I'm going to talk to you about that. But look at how gorgeous those flowers are. Now, I know the die doesn't do it justice, so I'm going to show you the sample. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that flower. So it has an inside flower, and it has flowers all the way around. Has the perfect little circle on the inside, because all of our fun drop-in dies, all of our big circle dies that are perfect for our circle flip it, will fit in here. Isn't that lovely? I'm also coming out with one that says Happy Spring that will fit in here. So let's look at those samples really quick. Here's that cute little Happy Spring by itself on one of our circle flip-its. This is our exclusive. Look how gorgeous that edge is. Fun, fun. Here's that Happy Spring by itself, just on a fun little card. Here's that Happy Spring on a circle flip-it. Happy Spring, my friend. Isn't that cute? And I know I have a couple more. Here's some more. Here's another Happy Spring. Look how cute that is. Those of you that want to see the Steffi doll are like, hurry up. Here's one. Look, oh my goodness gracious. Look at that foil, you guys. I'm telling you guys, that foil. Look at that. You can see it just glistening in the lights. Just pray. Look at how beautiful that is. So gorgeous. Or how about this one with the rose on the inside, wishing you a happy anniversary to you both. Look at how beautiful that is. Now, you can also do this one horizontally, vertical and horizontal. Look at how gorgeous that one is. Happy Mother's Day. Things we got to start thinking about. Mother's Day's coming. Okay, now, are you ready for the Steffi doll? This Steffi doll is so hot off the presses, I don't even have the stamp set yet. Can you believe it? But don't worry, it's in my warehouse by now. Don't worry, don't worry. But look at how cute she is. She's holding a teddy bear, and it says, big hugs for you, for my friend, bear hugs and miss you, and this cute little flower. Now, look at that cute little flower in the die version, because, you know, you got to stamp the flower stems in what? Green, right? You don't want to stamp them in black, green, and then the flower separately so you can color it, or you could die cut it. But there's our cute little girl holding that teddy bear. And let me just tell you how cute she is. Here she is on a step card. So beautiful, colored so gorgeous. Now, Those of you that are like, oh, I'm not a colorer, you need to go check out those tri-blends, because let me tell you, they've changed my life. Here's a cute one with a little red-headed little girl, bear hugs. Happy, happy birthday for my friend. This is using our 4x4 card. Look how cute that is with the little gift card in there. Look at all the different ways you can color her. Here she is blonde holding that. Big hugs for you. So cute. Here she is with brown hair. Look at, I'm going to have all these samples I got to lift up. Hang on. So there she is. Look at all the different ways you can color her. Look, look, look. Look at all of those different ways. Oh, let me get those all in the shot so you can see them all. Look at that. So different, so fun, so easy, right? So look at that. So different. Now, got one more to show you. So if you need a brunette, now you got a brunette too. Lots and lots of options. Each one looks totally different. Isn't that amazing? Just by the way you color her. I love it. Club members, yeah, you know the deal. You know you're getting the club discount on all of these products. If you're brand new to the Stamps of Life and you're like, oh, well, I kind of like those, but how would you like to get them on a discount? On sale every single day. If you join one of our clubs, you get a 15 to 20% discount off of every order you place, as long as you're a club member. Off of everything. No exclusions. Who can say that? No exclusions. Isn't that amazing? I know. Go check out our website, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just find out about it. They start as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. I know, it's amazing. You've got to go check it out. There's so many awesome benefits. Now, club members, yeah, you know you're getting the discount on these, so make sure you go check them out, stampsoflife.com. You're going to love them, and I will see you there. Bye-bye.